How to set timeout or expiry time for a key. If you set a timeout on a key, this will allow the key to be deleted in an automatic way. This is a very helpful feature in Redis. Let us set a key student4 set student4 to value Jordan, and I want to set the expiration for this field. So if I do here ex, which is expire in, I have the option to expire in second or millisecond, so I'll use in this case the second option, expire in 25 seconds, and I hit enter. Now if I do get student4, I see my key value. Now if I want to check what is the remaining time for this key, I do TTL student4, and you can see 5 seconds remaining. If I do it again, TTL student4, you see -2, which means it's already expired. So if I do now get student4, you can see it's null. That means the key is already expired, has been deleted. Let us take another example. I'll do set Mikey Redis. The value is Redis for this key, and expire in 20 seconds, and I'll use nx. What does nx mean? Nx means only sets the key if it does not already exist, while xx mean only set the key if it's already exists. So in this case, I want to set my key when it's not exist. So I'll hit enter, and I got OK. And this key will expire in 20 seconds. So I am going to try the other option with XX. We know that the key student4 has already expired from the previous run, so it's like it's not there anymore. So let's do set student4, and the value is Redis, and set the expiration in 20 seconds with the XX option, which means set this key if it's already exists. And we get null because that key student4 already expired, so it does not exist, and we know XX only work if the keys already exist. It's worth to mention that the string value for a key can be at max 512 megabytes. Another useful command you might use a lot is exists, which is basically check if the key already exists or not. So if you do exist and the key name, in this case student:4, and you see it's 0, that means not found.